SUV to take a look at Unique, especially in classics. This particular vehicle, a good customer of ours that we sold quite a few classics for, asked us if we'd help out with the sale of this vehicle. So we said, sure, why not? It's a nice one owner, actually. The Carfax will show two owner. It was in the same family. Then the title was just transferred between two different names. So same family has owned this vehicle since new, little over 60,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Bought new here in our area. There's also a folder of receipts for service work that has been done on this, so it has been upkept, the maintenance of it very well. Let you take a good look at the front fascia, front grille, headlights. You are going to notice a few spots where a little touch-up paint has been done, and you may have a scuff here and there, but mechanically very sound and still shows very well as far as cosmetic wise too. But I want to point out a few of the things as we go around here. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the pictures of this inside and out, top to bottom, engine bay, interior, underside. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. 5.3 liter underneath the hood that is paired up with a 6-speed automatic transmission. A little bit of touch-up paint here so you can see that. Of course, 4-wheel drive, and then this is the SLT trim package. SLT trim package is going to give you heated second row seats, power rear seat, second row power seat release, power tailgate. Be the trim package just under the Denali. Front row buckets also heated, and it is ebony leather. Of course, pure silver metallic would be the exterior color of this car. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Does have a backup camera, as you can see here. We also have the power rear lift gate. When I took the pictures of this vehicle, these rear two seats, I don't think had ever been in the vehicle. They're actually still in plastic bags. They look like brand new, and you'll be able to see that in the pictures also. Also, take a look at the undersides of the doors. Lots of times right here, you see a lot of corrosion on these, and then the undersides of the passenger door and the rear doors on this one. Take a look. They're very clean. As you can see, power lift gate works as it should. Again, still pictures to see those undersides. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number once again, 507-386-1726. Rear backup sensors to go along with that backup camera. And again, you can see a few spots. We've had a little bit of a touch-up paint or a little scuff here or there. But again, overall, shows well. Take a look at the rear seats. You'll see what I'm saying. I don't think these have hardly been sat in either. So second row bench. These 7-passenger seating very easily. All right, now all your other options that are going to come on this standard. Again, here's your heated seats. You also have memory seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. 4-wheel drive actuator right here. Driver's information center, steering wheel controls. Of course, dual climate control, AM, FM, CD. Vehicle would also have OnStar if you would like to initiate that. Headliner. You can tell vehicle is well taken care of, well serviced. AC does blow cold. 6-speed automatic transmission, can be manually shifted if you're towing something. There's a tow haul mode, manual shift here. There's your exact miles, 60,284, and as you can also see, no warning indicator lights, check engine lights, anything like that. Just a seatbelt light flashing since I don't have that on. Take a look at the dash. Also tell this vehicle is stored indoors, not sun-baked, cracked, anything like that. And then take a look at the seating surface, just like you'd expect leather to wear. Also in nice shape. Slip around to the back of this and hear it run. Not noticed any modifications as far as exhaust or anything underneath the hood, anything like that. And remember, there's this folder of maintenance receipts that will go along with this. You can see what has been done to it. Again, well taken care of, clean Carfax. Same family owned since new. No accidents indicated, confirms miles. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let's check out that engine bay and we'll wrap up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. Again, 5.3 liter Vortec, excellent power plant. And you can hear how smooth it runs. Nice and tidy and neat underneath here. What you'd expect with a vehicle with this kind of miles on it that's been taken care of. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. No accidents. Nice pre-owned vehicle if you're looking for a nicely equipped SUV. Here you go, 2010 GMC Yukon SLT. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.